Hey guys, welcome back for another video. So in today's video we're going to be going over how to draw this hyper realistic eye step by step. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So when it comes to drawing an eye, so the very first thing we do before we start shading is we draw this cross, which will help us draw the pupil and the iris of the eye. At the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use this technique to draw a smaller eye for your portraits and other drawings. So don't forget to watch till the end of this video. So this circle that I've just drawn right here is going to be our iris. And in the center of that, we're going to draw a smaller circle to represent the pupil of our eye. Before proceeding with the actual shading of the drawing, we're going to erase the guidelines. So we're going to take the H pencil and make the outline darker. We're going to take the 5B pencil and shade the pupil very dark. You can also use a colored black pencil to do that. Take your H pencil and we're going to shade around the pupil. Now use your 5B pencil to create some strokes going towards the pupil of the eye. Then using your blending stump, blend the dark lines with the fine strokes we just created. You can also use a cotton bud for that or just some tissue paper. Next, we're going to use a brush, or you can use a makeup brush for that. It is actually very good to blend graphite, so we're going to use that and smoothen everything up. And we're going to take our 2B pencil, draw some strokes, but this time in the pupil, going outside. With the 5B pencil, draw a thin line above the eye, so it gives more like this illusion of a folded skin. With our 2B pencil again, we're going to add some shades, and using the brush, we're going to blend it towards the inside of the skin. At the bottom of the eye, we're going to create another line, and again we're going to blend it and give the illusion of the skin. So I'm going to go over this really quick and I'll talk to you when it's done. Next we're going to move towards the white part of the eye, which is never white. So we're going to take the edge pencil and we're going to create some very light shades from both the left and right portion of the eye, and we're going to blend it towards the pupil. Next it was time to add the eyelids. So to do that we're going to take a soft pencil, I'm using a 5B in this case. We're going to draw some very fine stroke of hair on the upper part of the eye, and we're going to repeat that as well on the bottom. Now using your blending stump, you're going to blend the start of each hair so that it gives more depth to the image. Use a sharp-edged eraser to make the highlight pop out more. To make the drawing more realistic, we're going to add some reflections of the eyelids on the highlight, as you can see me doing right here. And it was time for me to do the final touches, and then you're done. And like I said at the beginning of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use this technique to draw smaller eye for other drawings as well. Guys, I really hope this video was helpful in some way, and if you did enjoy it, don't forget to drop a thumbs up down below and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Take care.